विचारों की स्पष्टता और निर्धारित समय में अपने स्वयं के दृष्टिकोण को व्यक्त करने की क्षमता के बारे में वह छात्रों में सीखने की सच्ची भावना और कौशल को आत्मसात करने के लिए नोबल लॉरेट स्कूल धामोर जख ने भाषण प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन किया। स्कूल के निदेशक डॉक्टर जय स्वरूप शर्मा, प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर आरती मोहन शर्मा और स्कूल की समन्वयक निशा चौधरी ने स्कूल के हेड बॉय जयदेव शर्मा और स्कूल की हेड गर्ल रीति के साथ प्रतियोगिता के जज प्रोफेसर अजय कुमार शर्मा, डॉक्टर प्रविंदर सिंह और डॉक्टर महक शर्मा का स्वागत किया। प्रतिभागियों ने बहुत ही आत्मविश्वास और अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार अपना भाषण दिया और कक्षा 4 और 5 में से अंग्रेजी भाषण प्रतियोगिता के विजेताओं में प्रथम स्थान सीरत जम्वाल व अंश शर्मा, दूसरा नित्या वर्मा, तीसरा स्थान अवनी जम्वाल ने लिया, जबकि कक्षा 6 और 7 से विजेताओं से पहला स्थान जयदेव शर्मा व अगन्या जम्वाल, दूसरा स्थान तन्वी डिगरा, भारती देवी, रीति व तीसरा स्थान कन्नव शर्मा व जय नमन शर्मा ने लिया।
आज हमने नोबल लॉरेट स्कूल में एक स्पीच कंपटीशन जो है वो ऑर्गेनाइज किया था, जिसमें 4th, 5th, 6th एंड 7th क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था। इसका हमारा मोटिव था ताकि बच्चे जो स्टेज पर आकर बोले, इनकी जो स्पीकिंग स्किल्स हैं वो इन्हांस हो और बच्चों का जो एक स्टेज फोबिया रहता है वो दूर हो। और इसमें हमारे बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छे से स्पीच दी है और बहुत अच्छे से इन्होंने परफॉर्म किया है। यहाँ पे हमारे जो जजेस आए थे उन्होंने भी बहुत हमारे बच्चों को मोटिवेट किया इस चीज़ के लिए। कुछ बच्चे थे जो थोड़ा नहीं बोल पाए अच्छे से, लेकिन ये उनके लिए एक्सपीरियंस था जो नेक्स्ट टाइम इससे बेटर करेंगे। इसमें यही मैसेज रहेगा कि हमारे बच्चे जो हैं वो नेक्स्ट टाइम दोबारा अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करें। इस बार जो इन्होंने किया है नेक्स्ट टाइम वो इससे अच्छा परफॉर्म करने की कोशिश करें और अपनी स्पीकिंग स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव करें।
About 70% of human body is water. It is marvelous gift to us. Sources. The main sources of water is pond, well, lakes, rain, and main sources. Conclusion. Water is odorless, tasteless, and chemical compound.
Principal ma'am, director sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Here I am, Nari Sharma from class 4th. First of all, I would like to thank Principal ma'am who gave me a golden chance to speak few words in front of you. Now I am going to deliver my short speech. The topic of my short speech is importance of water. I want to talk about something that is essential to our life, that is water. Water is the foundation of life, and without it we would not be here.
I feel extremely privileged to have a golden chance to express my feelings on the topic reduce, reuse and recycle. Cholera, typhoid, plague, dynasty, leprosy. Can you imagine to worry about catching these dreadful diseases? Well, if you lived 1899, 1920 India, you would be worrying about these and more. Because there were no rules what to do with this trash and sewage. It made it smelly and disgusting everywhere. And as announced by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India is committed to achieve the net zero emission target by 2070, which highlights the 50% increase usage of renewable resources by 2070. Everybody produce a lot of waste. I don't like waste. Ew. I can reduce, reuse and recycle my waste.
Sharma, I am from class 4th. Today I want to talk about something very important and concerning water. Water is life. Have you imagined life without water? We need water to drink, to wash our hands, to clean our bodies, to cook our food and for many more things. Water is precious. We need to clean and protect our water resources.
A speech on save water. We all know that the water is very important for our life.
that we can live for days without food, but we cannot live without water even for a single day. Water as precious as gold, and we should not waste it. We need to save it not only because it is essential for humans but for every living species on our planet, whether a little worm, a plant.
Dear teachers, and all my dear friends, good morning to all. I am to tell you something about importance of teamwork. Teamwork helps us develop positive relationship and build trust. Teamwork can be found in many areas of life, such as school, work, and sports.
Respected principal madam and judges, director sir and my lovely teachers, my name is Avanya Sharma from class 4. My speech name is Importance of Water. So let's start. Water is the greatest gift of God. It is a basic unit of the life.
Listen to yourself, everything comes naturally. It comes from inside like a kind of will to do something. Try to be sensitive, that is yoga. Hello everyone, thank you so much for having me here today. I am Ansh Sharma from class 5th. Today I am really excited to talk to you about my topic, Yoga, India's gift to the world. Yoga, India's gift to the world, is an ancient practice that began some 5,000 years ago. The idea of an International Yoga Day was first proposed by the current Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, during his speech at United Nations General Assembly in 2014.
An essential resource for all living beings on earth. It is vital for our survivors as it plays a crucial role in many bodily functions including digestion, circulation and temperature regulation. In addition, water is essential for agriculture, industry and the production of energy. Water is also important for the environment. It supports the growth of many plants. It supports the growth of plants and provides a habitat of many aquatic animals. It helps to regulate the climate as it absorbs and releases heat and play a role in the water cycle, which is critical for the distribution of fresh water. Despite importance access to clean and safe water is still a challenge for many people around the world. Thank you. Is the world. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Khushi. So, dear judges, that's all from our participants. Today, you will decide the winners of this event, that is first, second and third position. I request you to please compile the result and hand over to us.
And my dear friends, today I am here to talk about something on earth that make our earth cleaner, happier, healthier, place to live, that is recycle and reusing. Have you seen a heap of garbage lying around or here? How much waste we create every day. All of this garbage does not disappear. Most of it ends up in landfills, rivers and oceans, which harm animals, plants and even us. But there is a good news. That we can do something that make our earth cleaner, healthier. But there is a good news. We can do something simple, that is recycle and reuse. Now, firstly, we discuss what is recycle. Recycle means turning old and used material into new things. For example, a plastic bottle can be recycled into new one, and newspaper can be recycled into new one. Secondly, we discuss about what is reuse. Reuse means responsibility as a earth citizen that is For this, we use separate bins for recyclable items like paper, plastic, etc.
Thank you, Avni. Dear judges, I think you must have enjoyed your students' words, and I think they are doing their best. Yeah. So moving towards.
जम्मू कश्मीर की खबरों के लिए जुड़े रहिए JK अपडेट के साथ।